What's going on, YouTube? Today we ended up picking up a new car for the channel. It's a 2003 Ford Focus ZX3. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. As you can see, it is pretty beat up, guys. I ended up only picking this car up for $400. I planned on flipping it. It actually has a gas leak and 2 broken door handles. So for tonight, let's go ahead and start by getting the car cleaned up and possibly ripping into those door handles. Alright, so while I got this out of the car, I'm gonna just go ahead and show it to you guys right away because this is pretty tricky here. After doing some research, I realized that there's supposed to be a metal rod that runs right where my pointer finger is up to this portion here in that part. So when you pull the door handle, the door handle rides on this guy right here and pulls this down, which then runs the part right back here, this portion, and that moves the lever on the outside of the door. So at least now we know the part that we need to go buy. I'm gonna just kind of throw this all back together, order that part. All right, guys, so there is the driver's side door all put back together. You can see, opens up really nicely. One screw did end up coming loose and ended up pushing the door handle for it. I'll show you here on the passenger side because it's easier to pull apart. That little white piece right there ended up coming out, which pushes the door handle that way, which didn't allow it to open up completely. All right, guys, that is going to wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys are enjoying the new build. We did get through both the doors. We fixed the driver's side doors, so now at least we have one working door handle, and we know what parts we have to order for the passenger side. In the next episode, we're going to jump into the leaking fuel line and get this thing up and running. Peace.